my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to delete saved posts or videos on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. After that, click on Saved. Then press on Posts. Click on 3 dot which shown here. Then click on Items. Select the post which you want to delete. Let's select this one. After that, click on Delete. Now post is already deleted. This is the first way. You can try another one. Just go back. Again, go back. Click on 3 dot here. Then press on Remove from Collection. Now you will find that posts already removed. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to delete saved posts or video on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.